Yeah, but I can't do it like internet issue.
Internet issue.
Like
Even
speed is not that much.
Even 50 Mbps also you can able to work. Who is ready to guess? Tuple is ready. Just need to enter the commands.
We'll do it, sir. Taj, I'll do it.
Oh, Rakesh.
Yeah.
Okay. Please help to Rakesh guess.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So let's
Andre
give control to Rakesh.
ಡಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.
Yes,
ಹೌದು
yes.
ಹೌದು ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾ.
Okay. So yeah, now you can access, right? Check Rakesh.
Yes, checking.
Yes.
Can.
Okay. Just open the document which is there.
Okay.
It is there here.
Yes. No, here I can refer in my computer. Yes.
Yes, yes. I think
I can refer
on router 1.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Help ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Sure.
Okay, do it fast. So I want to select how you are doing it. I want how your teamwork is going to work.
First ಅದೇ
At the same time, like
here router
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದೇ router 1.
router 1 ಇದೆನಾ?
ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ R1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ.
Before you could start, can I access the Office server and show you some EVNG? Guys?
Sure, Taj. Or can we just finish
Orange,
this?
We'll do this lab. After that, we can do.
Well, guys,
Okay,
this will take time. And
yeah, it takes minimum 1 hour. Soundarya.
Okay.
After that,
it takes minimum 1 hour to do this lab.
Okay. Cool. Fine. Can show that.
I can show that.
Okay, I think we can later also we can do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so anything I have shared everything. So let cancel this. I want to show you the rack which I accessed today. Not Singapore, I think Bangalore. Because it asking to open my authenticate. I think right? Authenticated app.
Yes, MFA.
Now it is establishing the VPN configuration, right?
Yeah.
Now it is connected.
Yeah.
Connected to GSB Bangalore GCD because right down this time, I think traffic is less now.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now? So let me open my RDP. Right? How to access?
Yeah.
RDP, yes.
Because it's a server IP address for the office.
Yeah.
I think last time I showed, right?
Yeah, once.
Yeah.
So only for the trainers. Actually, this is for the training. So now I log into the server, guys.
Okay.
Office server. Okay, let me open my EU. Okay, I don't want to connect this. Admin password is EVE.
Okay.
Okay, I think morning. Yeah, I think this lab. This is a real lab, guys. So we have connected some PCs here over here. Okay, so what I want to show you guys here. So let me on the devices. Should connect my mouse. I think they have installed some. Let me delete this. Instead of this, I will connect to this PC. I think they have installed Windows 7. You see, keep it aside. So this PC, let it connect to this guy. So it takes time to on this thing. Start all nodes. Okay, I think they have installed the checkpoint and Palo Alto firewall also.
Okay.
Okay, they have three install the Palo Alto firewall. Let it on all the devices. You can go to this. Got all nodes. The good thing, guys, this is Office server. Is quite very fast, guys. So what server at my home, I will show you on Monday. My server is a little bit slow.
Okay.
Compared to the Office server.
Yeah.
The first thing, guys, so what I'm going to configure, so just configure some basic configurations. The VPN lab, I think I shared everything. So you can do, I think anyhow, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, you just spend 2 days time for your assessment, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start accessing this guy now. It's still booting because hard disk is SSD. The server, like what hard disk I have at home, that is SATA hard disk, which I configured with a RAID 5.
Okay.
It's slow compared to this Office server. But I had a lot of features compared to this server because yeah, they are installed very less devices.
That's for this FortiGate, we have two options. Right? One is for CLI and one is for GUI.
For all firewall guys, all firewalls, they have both GUI and CLI, both. For the router also, guys, router also we can access your GUI and CLI based. Same time, let access this router. Because at a time, how many devices I on? 5 Windows 7 and 2 routers. So that's the reason is taking time. Morning, it was quite very fast. So let's open this Windows. If you have this access, guys, contact your managers to do hands-on for this Office rack. I think we can't install this all in. It is possible to install this all in your laptop. It needs a lot of hardware resource, guys.
Okay.
User password is test123 T capital. For all client guys. Same thing, guys. In the packet test, we're asking, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Right. So here also asking the same thing. Guys, see here, ISKMP. This is the VPN, guys. Okay. Internet Secure Access Key Management Protocol, guys. IS. Can you see here? On my cursor, ISAKMP. Okay. So first thing is, so be carefully, guys, here. When you give the wrong command, it will come 255 is going to translate. Show IP interface brief. Okay, so let's configure some of the IP address. I think gigabytes 2 and 0. First name, this is my R1. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0. IP address 192.168.1.1. So you want me to configure the DHCP, guys, so that PC will get automatic IP address. IP DHCP pull will give entity network 192.168.1.0.
55.
So DNS will give 888. I think now I should get IP address, right, automatically for this Windows Server PC.
Yes.
I think I opened this, right? So how to, sorry guys. So how to do that, guys? Right now, if you check, so what is the IP address for this? Okay, so IF
Config.
config. It will take from APIPA. Can you see? It's taking from APIPA.
Okay.
Okay, then how I should do? I must get IP address automatically. Who will do this? Saundarya, Piyush, Rakesh, Vikas, Veneja, Imelda. In packet tester, easy, right? Click that.
Yes.
This will do fast.
Yeah.
This is the real lab, guys.
Yeah. Got it.
Then how to do this? If any customer asks you, I have configured DHCP, I'm not getting IP address, and the customer will give access to Swati or any Imelda. How we are going to do, guys? Piyush,
Yes.
सत्या, दोनों भाई कुछ हेल्प करो, मुझे ऑटोमेटिक आईपी एड्रेस मिलना है यहाँ से।
चाहिए नेटवर्क सेटिंग में।
हाँ?
नेटवर्क सेटिंग में रहता है
कंट्रोल
ना,
पैनल, कंट्रोल पैनल
कंट्रोल पैनल से। हाँ
हाँ
ओके, चलो मैं नेटवर्क सेटिंग में जाता हूँ, देखते हैं. So I'll type
Control. It's on the right hand side. Control panel. You can click.
yeah. Because once these all devices are booting process got over, okay, so then it will become fast. I still some of the devices are booting.
Okay.
Installing drivers. Now it is okay. Still this guy is trying to get the IP address. Can you see? Because by default, all will be in the auto guys.
Okay.
Get IP address automatically.
What did you change there? Like, you know, you have given like 125 something. What is it?
Size of the screen. I'll show you that. Go to setting here.
Okay.
125 and make to 150. It will become big.
Zoom in.
Unidentified network, no internet access. I think now he is getting IP address, I guess.
Okay.
Control panel now is opening. Shouldn't take this much of time because a lot of devices. I think you guys familiar with the Windows 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And go to your local area network. It's taking time. Yeah, if you see the details, it has taken a PIPA, right?
Yeah.
So DHCP is enabled, yes. Right. So let's go to property. See, it has taken automatic, right?
Yes.
Then I must get IP address, right? So is there any command line interface? Guys? So that I can get IP address fast. DSCP is there. DSCP release. IP DSCP. In renew. In the Windows 10 renew, I guess. So which PC we have opened, guys? This PC, right?
Yes.
Can we get the IP address? Who will tell this answer? This is your level 1 engineer job, guys. Who will tell this answer, guys? I will get, because gigabyte 0/0, I have given the IP address. We have opened this one. How we will get the IP address? We will get IP address for this PC, right?
Yeah.
Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now this guy must guess the IP address.
Yeah. That's right.
Got it, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Ping to the router 192.168.1.1. We're getting reply, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, let's ping to from router. Ping to 192.168.1.2. We're getting reply, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then I want to get this IP address for this guy as well.
Yes.
So what I should do?
Gigabyte 0/2.
So I must give the IP address, right? So what IP
Yes.
address I should give, guys? Gigabytes 0/2, right?
Yes.
So what IP address I should give for this guy?
Same. Router. Router IP.
So
1.1.
can I give
1.3?
1.3 for this guy?
Yes.
Overlap. Why it's showing these guys? Because router will connect to the two different network, not with the same network. Correct. So for that, what we have to do? We can change the
2.1.
network. 2.1. For him, we have to configure separate DSCP. This is entity 1. Network and same thing. What commands? 2.0, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Default.
So IP interface. One is running 1.1 and 1.2.1. So let's open this guy. Yeah, this one, right? Can I get IP address now? Got it, guys?
Yes.
See, gateway has not taken. It's taken 2.1. Can we ping? So 192.168, 2.2, because it directly connected, it will ping, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Directly connected, it will ping. Same thing if you check from router. Okay, so I think I'm able to ping. 2.2. It's pinging very fast. Okay, same thing you can able to configure your routing protocol, guys. Okay, so let's configure your static route. So IP networks like 192.168. So 3.0 network. Imagine your auto to use 3.0 network.
Okay.
To reach to that network, okay, go via 10.1.1.2.
Yes.
That's it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we have to configure one more IP address, right? For this one, gigabyte 0/1. Okay, so what should be the IP address for this interface? Gigabytes 0/1. New IP address for this
10.1.1.1.
255.0.0.0.
Yeah.
Show IP. Okay, so let it open. Okay, it is translating. Okay, this is done. So let's go to this router now. This is my R2 now.
Okay.
Check interfaces. First go to gigabyte 0/1. Give this IP address 10.1.1.2.
2.
Ping directly connected. I think it should ping to 10.1, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can ping directly, right?
Yes.
An interface gigabytes. So as we know that here it is connected 3 PCs, right? 0, 2, and 3.
So 3 networks.
3 networks. Okay. So let's configure with 0/0 because we don't have the switch gas. If you have switch means don't need to configure 3 DSCP. Just I'll configure 1 DSCP gas. I'll give some IP address for this. 192.168 3.1. I'll give the mask. So IP DSCP full entity 2 network 192.168.
3.0.
Even let's configure this one also. IP route. I want to reach 192.168 1.0 network. Okay, 255.255.255.0. Go via 10.10.1. Right?
Yes.
And same thing for 2 network.
Okay.
Right? So everything is configured. Right now I configured with 1 IP address. As we can see, store IP route static.
Yes.
You can see the static route right here.
Yes.
Okay, so let's check with this guy. Must get IP address. Test 1, 2, 3. Which one is good, guys? Packet tracer or this?
This is good
Right.
actually.
Huh?
This is like real time, right? It looks like a real time. Even
Yes,
both are
yes.
good, but this is real time actually.
Because guys, whenever we're going to deploy the high implementation, okay,
Yeah.
whenever the entire network topology, first they will do in EVNG or JNS, not in packet as well.
Okay.
It's taken from APIPA.
Apipa.
Okay, I think he must get IP address automatically. This is. Let's minimize this. In IP DSCP released, I think it's not working. I don't know why.
IP conf, command which I saw, it's IP config slash release. Sorry, forward slash release. No space.
Where?
No. After config, I guess.
Yes, we got it right.
Yes.
3.2. Can you see?
Okay.
You can see he's asking home network, public network. Let's say this is our home network. Let's configure this. So I think can able to ping A192.168 3.1.
3.1.
Okay, so we
Yes.
can reach, right? So
Yes.
now from here, I should ping to that Windows PC. Correct.
Okay.
That is 1.2. I'm getting reply, right?
Yes.
What about 2.2? Did you configure 2 network in router 2? 2.1 is going up to 2.1.
Yes.
Right. So let's check
Yes.
in the router. This is our router 2. I think 2 network, 3 network. I think 2 network is there. Okay. I think
Only 2.1 is there. No 2.2.
I think 1.2. Yes. 2.2 is not there.
Yes.
No, man. No, this is 2.2. I think. See, this is 2.2. Can you see?
Okay.
So ping to 3.1. Why these guys not pinging? And then ping to 10.1.1.2. General failure. We'll see this. I think we should enable direct gateway. So let's ping from server. Can server from the router can be able to ping. We'll first check show IP route. Show IP route static. 3 network has learned, right?
Yes.
Check 192.168 3.1. Yes, we can reach up to 3.2. Yes. Then 2.2. 1.2. It's pinging. No issues.
Okay.
Okay, why is this guy showing general issue? IP config. The problem with this guy is gateway, guys. Can you see any gateway here?
No.
Right? So now the problem is you have to check the DSCP configuration. So show run. Show running configuration. Let's check DSCP what we have configured. I think we are not saved, I think, this configuration. But we have the routes for static route, what we configure. Going via these. We check for this router also is, you can see 3 routes, 2 network. They have the communication now.
Okay.
Understood, guys? This is a very simple lab. What I showed to you.
Yeah.
Same thing. Even you can connect the server. So I think server they are not yet installed. I told them to install. They told me it's a community version one. 2020 server is there. I think they are not installed it.
Okay.
Take the symbol whichever you want. In server they are not yet installed. I think PALO ALTO
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ ತಾಜ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ರೀಚೇಬಲ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ತಾಜ್?
ಇದು ಬಂದು ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ತಾಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ DHCP ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 2 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ರೈಟ್
2 network DHCP pool. Yeah.
DHCP. So 2 network we have to configure this DHCP properly. I think DNS we are not given. IP DHCP pool. I think we have to remove one IP DHCP pool. I think entity 1, right?
Yeah.
Then give IP DHCP pool entity 5
Network 2.0.
network 192.168.2.0 255.255.255.
Default.
ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಓಕೆ
192.168.2.1.
that means ನಮ್ ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ meaning.
So 192.1 this one I will give Google one 8.8.8.8. So this
DNS
usually guys DNS router will okay, sorry
default DNS.
DNS. This they will give the DNS IP address from their company website, guys. Remember, website IP address.
Okay.
I think now we can check now. I think same command. IP config.
Yeah.
/ renewal.
/ release and renew. Now renew.
So now he has taken gateway. Can you see? Gateway 30. Now it will pick connected to the work network. These things. Those. So now it will ping. See here. So ping to 192.168 will ping to 3.1. You're pinging, right?
Yes.
3.2. You can getting replay, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's quite interesting, guys. Networking. If you keep doing it,
Yeah.
you can learn many things. Okay, so let me show you the one. I'll put some PALO ALTO, but these guys take long time, guys. That is a problem. So I will take 4 core with 8096 file interface because these guys take long time to boot. Otherwise, I would explain some Palo Alto basic commands.
Okay.
It takes time because this is a very big device. Even I'll explain about. Okay, let me hop this device. You understood, guys?
Yes.
Because when I on this all the devices, the officer will sound like anything. In the sound baratal. Because see how many pieces, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, 2 routers.
Okay.
7 devices I on at the same time. Okay. Why I didn't on this again? Let me hop these devices. Stop all the nodes. Okay. Let's close this all. It will close automatically. So now I'll on these devices. I'll show you this GUI access for this Palo Alto firewall.
Okay.
I think a lot of, someone has done a lot of experimenting this. IP blue lab for the phone. I think this is for the IP phone, I think.
Okay.
My logs will be there on the server, guys.
Yeah.
When I log in, my logs will be there. See, this guy take long time to boot. The Palo Alto firewall. Just I'm showing why, because this is the EVNG, guys. I'm sure again in coming features you're going to use this all EVNG. It's a very good for network engineer, guys. We cannot buy router, switches, firewall, right? Can we buy? No, that. Right. Better to buy this software and install in your server. And we can't install in your laptop, guys. I'm planning to buy server, one more server. I think first patch I did not show this on. Just overview explain for the first patch. Login problem for this service. The default password for Palo Alto firewall is admin.
Okay.
Start this. I'll stop recording these guys.